Hi friends, my name is Emily. Today I'm so delighted to be here to talk about a topic talking about accommodation. Now I have a question for you. What is your favorite room? My favorite room is my kitchen because I really love cooking and I can cook every day. Uh, my kitchen has a lot of memories when I was a little one, and now I'm 19 years old. Yes, it's not only food spacious but also cozy. It's easy to cook a lot of local dishes. My kitchen has some furniture such as gas stove, sink, fridge, a kitchen cupbroad, and so on. So I often cook every day, 2 times a day, and create a lot of new dishes. Uh, decorate my kitchen so beautiful and clean up after I finished cooking. Yes, my family often cook together on test holiday or some special day. Yes, when my siblings get vegetable, my mom cooks rice, and my daddy cooks chicken, and I prepare some ingredients for my mom cook some fried dishes. Yes, I remember when I was 12 years old, it is the first time I cooked rice. I think it's not good. I'm so sad, and my mom say, "Don't worry, it is the first time. Cook step by step. You win a chef." And now I can cook rice so delicious. Yeah, and I don't forget. I don't forget my kitchen, cause because it is a digester. Uh, it have some digester. From me when I start to cook to cook is not bad. I had broken a lot of bowls and fritters. Once I cooked mixed mixed shrimp mixed shrimp in kitchen. I forgot to turn off the gas stove when I went out. Luckily, my kitchen didn't destroy. My mom turned off the gas stove, but the meat was fried. So now I have to focus on cook some dishes. Yeah, my favorite dish is sweet and sour sweet and sour fish soup when my daddy cook. Wow, it's so mouth-watering. Yeah, I long for my kitchen. I long for my kitchen will have a fully finished, such as my microwave, extra, extra, extra hood, or wider mixer. Yeah, wow, I will create a lot of new dishes and make a cake so easy and cook everything I want so fast. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you and have a great day. Bye bye.